Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to work with CSV files. So see, what is meant by CSV means common separated values. So CSV is similar to this, like it is a similar way of Excel sheet. But it is very simplified spreadsheets. So to do that Python we have to use CSV model, but CSV model will come with Python. Next is JSON format. So JSON is also a format that is a plain text file, but it is used to write Java scripts. So first we will see what about CSV module. So each and every line in CSV file represents a row in the spreadsheet, and commas separate the cell in the row. Then CSV files are simple, but it doesn't have many features like spreadsheets. Like it doesn't have types of their values. Everything is a just string. It doesn't have text, or means it has only text. It doesn't have numbers, date and all those formats, and it don't have font size and colors. It doesn't have multiple worksheets. We cannot specify cells with height and all. We can't even merge the cells, or we cannot add images or charts to the spreadsheet. But it is a spreadsheet with cells. We can add string of data to it. That's it. So here we have how to read the CSV module object. So first thing we have to create an object, we have to import CSV file, then CSV model, and then we have to create an object for CSV file. So the file which is ending with .csv is represented as worksheet or a spreadsheet of CSV type. So open is used to create an object for the file. Then example reader, so this is an object for the reader for reading the file example CSV. So CSV dot reader, by passing the object of file name, will create an read object. So example date is equal to list of example reader. So example date will copy the list of data which is stored in example reader. So example data, if you print, we will get the data. So since it is a list with two dimension, then example data with 00 will get you the data at first block or first cell. 01 will get the value from 0th row and first call, and so on. Next one is reading data from reader object in a for loop. So for the same import COV, we have created object for a COV file and object for a reader file. So then for rows in example reader, print row ash plus string example readers dot line number, which line it belongs to, plus string of row. So we are converting the row data to the string. So row at 1 will have this data, and so on. This is how we make use of for loop for reading or printing the data for CSV module. So next is write object. To write the object, we can use the function csv.write. So csv.write function will create an object for write method. So once our object for file is created, we have to create it with write mode. Then only we can write the data to the file, CSV file. Then open output write is an attribute or an object name given for CSV write function with output file by passing the file object. Output write dot write row will write the data to the file. So it will write the data in row wise, and we can make use of again write row function, output dot write row, and complete row can be written, and this is how the file looks once you close the output file. Next is delimiter or line limiter for keywords. So delimiter is a tab number of space, and line limiter is \n. While you create and write object for a file, if you pass delimiter and line limiter and then you start writing the rows, then it will be added with delimiter spaces and write limiter. So to do that, once you are creating a write object, we have to create a CSV write. We have to call CSV write function with function object or the file object, comma delimiter with how many number of tabs you are giving, and line limiter with how many number of lines you are providing. Then once you write the right rows, and this is how the output looks like with delimiters and line limiters. Next we have one project in CSV file for removing the headers from CSV file. So this program should do like it has to find all the CSV files in the current working directory, read in full contents of each line, then write the output content skipping the first line to the new CSV files. Next, what and all the code to be followed is, first we have to import OS module so that we can list all the list the files from all working directory, and we can remove or skip non-CSV files, or we can only find CSV files. Then create CSV read object and read the files, and using the line number attribute to figure out which line to skip. Then create a CSV write and write the output in the read in data for the new file. So steps to follow for reading the header, removing the header from CSV files are: loop through each CSV file, then read the CSV file, write out the CSV file without any first row. So we'll see the program. So to implement this function, we have to use CSV and OS module. So import them. Then make directories. We are creating a directory called header remove directory, exit OK equal to true. So for CSV file names in OS list directories, if not CSV file name ends with CSV, then continue. Skip the CSV files, means it is skipping all non-CSV files. It means it is showing for not CSV files. Next, print removing header from CSV files. CSV with the row object for CSV row is created. CSV file object is created with CSV file names. For all the files, a CSV object is created with respect to for loop. Then read object is created for all the files which are open. For row in read object, if read object dot line number is 1, continue, means it is skipping the first row. CSV row append the rows. If it is 1, then skip it. If not, if it is more than 1, then append all the rows. Then CSV file object is closed. Once the CSV is read, means once the file object reads all the data into it, then next thing is writing the data. So CSV file object is equal to open OS path join. We are joining header removed folder with CSV file name in write mode and new line. Then CSV writer is equal to CSV file object. Then for the rows in CSV rows, write all the rows to the new file and close the file. Once we execute the file, it will tell like the file as open and closed. If I go to the folder, so here is the CSV rows, means files with header removed. This is the files with header. Let me copy all the files and paste it here and run the program again. So it is removing all the headers from the files what we have. Then if I go to remove header CSV, it has the files without header. This file contains, we'll open this file which contains header, NIC, item tag status and all. If I go to header removed folder, then it won't be having any header, but it will have the data. Where we had tax detail, means the first column is removed from all the files and it has made a copy of all the files. So I hope you understood the topics. Thank you.